Meaning of individuality.
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 Individuality. Individuality refers to the distinct qualities, characteristics, and traits that make a person unique from others. It encompasses an individual's thoughts, beliefs, behaviors, and actions that are shaped by their upbringing, experiences, and environment. Acknowledging and embracing one's individuality leads to a sense of self-awareness and authenticity, which in turn promotes personal growth and fulfillment. On the other hand, denying or suppressing one's individuality can result in conformity, a lack of creativity, and a feeling of dissatisfaction with oneself. Therefore, celebrating and nurturing individuality is crucial for a healthy and satisfying life.